fine at your homes. Students, I am your maths teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Today, in this video tutorial, we will do a new concept of maths, that is round off numbers to the nearest tens. Round off numbers to the nearest tens. Yes, what is the rounding off? What is a round off? Yes, round off means estimation. Round off means estimation. Sometime when we go to market, we have often listened to our mother, father that they are spending rupees 96 or 97, but they are saying that our 100 rupees are spent. Yes, sometimes we are spending 24 rupees and we are saying that near about 25 rupees spent by me. तो ऐसे 24 को 25 बोल देते हैं, 95, 96 को हम नियर 100 बोल देते हैं. So this is called the estimation. This is called the estimation, and estimation is also useful whenever we have to do one important work. Sometimes we have to get the estimation in our construction work, that how many bricks will be needed to make a house. Then at that time the mason gives us the estimation that these many bricks will be used. That is also the estimation. Yes, so this is a very important topic. Yes, you must understand it carefully, because in the next chapters also you will get the sums of this type of rounding off. Yes, and in your syllabus beta, rounding off is according to the places, according to tens, hundreds and thousand. Today in this video tutorial, I will tell you round off the numbers to the nearest tens. As we come to know, as already we know that ones, tens, these are the places. Now how to round off the numbers according to the tens place? Yes, so here I will explain you with the help of the example. For example, 32 is here. Yes, and we have to estimate 32 to the nearest tens. We have to round off 32 to the nearest tens. So there will be the three steps. There will be the three steps. Yes, first step. What is the first step? Firstly, we will write the places. Ones, tens. This is the first step. We will write the places, ones, tens. Yes. Second step. What is the second step? Ones place digit will be 0. वंस प्लेस डिजिट को चाहे वो जितना भी हमें गिवन हो, चाहे वो 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever it is given, but always you have to write it as 0. Yes, first step, write the places. Second step, write one's place as 0. Then what is the third step? Third step is the most important step. Third step is we have to write tens place digit. अब tens place digit जो हमने लिखना है बेटा, वो ones place को देख के लिखना है. We will write tens place digit by observing the ones place. Now once again listen to me carefully. अब इसको observe कैसे करना है? If ones place digit is 5 or more than 5, तो tens place digit next हो जाएगा. If ones place digit is less than 5, तो tens place digit में कोई change नहीं आएगा. Yes, once again I am going to repeat. If ones place digit is less than 5, less than 5 means 5 से कम है. Yes, then there will be the no change in tens place digit. But if ones place digit 5 है या 5 से ज़्यादा है, is it 5 or more than 5, then tens place digit will be the next digit. तो tens place वाला digit next हो जाएगा. Now here in this sum we can see ones place digit is less than 5, तो tens place digit में कोई change नहीं आएगा. It will be written as only 3. So we got the answer 30. Yes, so we can say 32 is rounded off to the nearest tens. It is 30. Yes, when 32 is rounded off to the nearest tens, it is 30. Yes, now let's do more examples. Yes, This is 17. Now we have to round it off to the nearest tens. So how we will do? Firstly we will write the places. First step to write the places. Second step, make ones place digit 0. Now third step. What is the third step? Most important step. We will observe ones place digit. If ones place digit is 5 or more than 5, then tens place digit will become next. Here we see it is 7. It is more than 5. So ones place digit next tens place digit next हो जाएगा. ये 1 था, it will become 2. Ones place digit more than 5. So tens place digit will become next. Yes. So we got 20 as the answer. Yes. So beta, in your book in exercise 1.6, first sum is there relating to this. A part is 70. Here I have already done. Its answer is 20. Yes. After that I am going to tell you D part. What is the statement in D part? D part, it is 99. It is 99. Yes. Firstly we will write the places. Yes. Then ones place digit 0. Yes. Now ones place digit is more than 5. So tens place digit will become next. It will become 10. So the answer is 100. So the answer is 100. Yes. Now I am going to tell you H part. In H part, what is the question? It is 46. It is 46. Yes. Now first step, write the places. Second step, make the ones place 0. Third step, observe the ones place digit. Is it is more than 5, then tens place digit will be next. Now it is 6. It is more than 5. So the tens place digit will be the next. It will become 5. So 46 rounded off to the nearest tens, it is 50. So the answer is 50. Yes. After that I am going to tell you I part. What is the statement in I part? That is 74. That is 74. So first step, write the places. Second step, make ones place 0. Third step, the most important step, that is observe the ones place digit. It is less than 5. So the tens place digit will not change. It will remain same. 7 will be written as 7 only. So the answer is 70. Yes. Like this we have to do rounding of the numbers to the nearest tens. Yes. Hope every one of you have understood this concept. Thanks and have a beautiful day. God bless you all.